Guys, it's 6 a.m. and I've had enough coffee to just barely function. So we're gonna go out and see what awaits us. We're losing daylight, getting darker and darker in the mornings. First thing I do is feed the boys and turn the chickens out. You guys gonna wake up? Is it too dark for you? Went ahead and opened up their nesting box. So they're all ready to go. Just gonna give them some scratch. Here you go. They love that stuff. Oh my gosh, Apollo. You are one nasty boy. Oh my goodness. You have peed on yourself so much. Wow. Wowzers. You don't even look like the same goat. Your face is brown. They're anxious to be with the ladies. All right, let's get some lights on and see what awaits me. Hey girls. Look at the piles of goat poop. Yay! Look at those girls in the creep feeder. You waiting for me to give you some hay? Casey and Candy. Anyway, as you can see, I've got my work cut out for me. A lot of poop this morning, and they'll go several more times before it's over with once Jim gets out here and starts feeding and milking. So that's what I'm gonna do, is clean. girls are patiently waiting for their hay and to go out into the pasture. So this is what it looks like when it's swept up, but I will put down some barn lime and pine shavings in the areas of heavy urine. And that helps soak that up and decrease the urine smell. So as soon as Roxy's done, I'm gonna let him out into the outside area and lock it. And then I can add, who's climbing on me? Then I can add barn lime and pine shavings. Is that you? You climbing on me? Yeah. You want me to pick you up? You want me to pick you up, little Sylvie? Hmm? You want some fresh hay? Hmm? Almost done.
Come on, girls. Come on in here. Come here.
We even got Sylvie in on the action today. Casey always finds her spot. She hops right up there and eats out of the feeder.
You getting choked? Hmm?
You about need 2 little bowls. Juliet's gonna muscle her way in.
The thing you gotta do is get them used to it. Now, Luna was very skittish when we got her. She wouldn't even come in the room. And so what I had to do, and I probably waited a little too late to start it, I should have started it earlier. I had to set a bowl down on the floor close to the door and keep moving that every day around in the room and then up on to the step and then eventually up on the stand. And she got used to it.
It took weeks and weeks though. We worked with her.
Yeah, I started too late. I should have started them when they were this age. Now, Juliet is the most skittish now, and so getting her up here with the other goats also eases the pain for her a little bit, because it's such a terrible thing to get in here and stand on this stand
and get food.
Get food.
Yeah, it's rough.
And you can see that little girl ain't gonna have any problems, and this one don't have any problems.
Nope, and Casey.
That one there already is ready to milk.
Yeah,
So.
yeah, she knows exactly where to go.
So that's kind of what you got to do to get these junior dolings going, and that's not even a junior. What is she doing
did
here?
the baby. I don't know. She snuck in, but she's so cute. She just wants to be part of the crowd.
And then to get them out, I simply pull her head out of the feeder and go, okay girls, time to go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on.
You may have to pick the little one up. She's not used to being in here with them. She
says, I don't want to leave. Sweet little girl.
Sweet Sylvie. Sweet
You are pretty. Yes, you are. You going to be a good milker? Are you going to be a good milker?
All right, Jim's going to clean equipment, and I'm going to feed him some hay and finish my chores out here. So this is what I do, guys, every day, twice a day. And we used to totally cover this area with straw, and because of the drought and the extreme heat that we've been in, I thought I would give this method a try. And actually, it's a lot of work, but I think it helps keep them healthier by not having constant poop and stuff laying around in deep bedding. So anyway, we'll see. That's the plan, at least for now. So this is basically what I get from 2 cleanings. Last night's was in there, and then this morning's. So we're gonna take it now to the compost, and we'll show you what we do with it. Jim and his sidekick, Scarlett.
This here is kind of the unglamorous part of goat keeping. And I know we show a lot of the nice things and how wonderful it is, and it is. But there's also maintenance. There's also, what do you do with all this? Well, normally this composts really well. And by the time this is done next spring, it'll probably be down to 1/4 of its size. The reason it hasn't composted very well this year, it's been so dry all year and so hot. It's did nothing. And without watering it constantly, this is what happens. So anyway, just wanted to say that expect to put time and effort into your goats, because don't get them and think you're going to turn them loose in your backyard and feed them and everything's rosy. You got to work at it a little bit, and people that love goats know this. So anyway, guys, I hope this has been helpful. Anyway, guys, I hope this has been helpful. Anyway, guys, I hope this has been helpful for you. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to us, ring that bell, and as always, we'll catch you later.